Welcome to Inside Scoop Headlines, your on-the-go listen for AHF's top news, where you get updated on current initiatives in 5 minutes or less.
Great news, everyone! AHF is welcoming a new affiliate to our family of community organizations. Introducing Long Beach Community Table. Their mission is to support the well-being, empowerment, and self-determination of food and housing insecure residents in the greater Long Beach area. We are excited to have Long Beach Community Table with us, and we look forward to working together to provide housing and food access to people in need. To learn more about Long Beach Community Table and their amazing work, scan the QR code to visit their website. Speaking of community, Pride season is well underway, and AHF is celebrating in cities all around the world. We're offering free HIV testing and free AHF swag at our Pride booths, and we're marching to celebrate our 1.75 million lives in care. We know that Pride is about community and resistance to discrimination, and we're proud to be in solidarity with the LGBTQ+ communities worldwide. Scan the QR code to see what Prides will be attending for the rest of this fabulous season. Right now in the United States, our freedoms are under attack. People of color, immigrants, women, LGBTQ+ communities, Jewish people, and many more communities are being targeted by hateful legislation. But we cannot let harmful bills strip virtually every group of their rights. That's why on July 2nd, 2023, the We the People Coalition led a national rally and march to fight for freedom. Advocates and allies took to the streets of Fort Lauderdale, Los Angeles, Washington, D.C., Dallas, Columbia, South Carolina, and New York to protect the rights that so many communities have fought for. Scan the QR code on your screen to watch highlights from the We the People March to see unity and advocacy in action. In global news, hundreds of women, girls, and their peers gathered across 38 countries to commemorate Menstrual Health Day. Menstrual Health Day is observed annually on May 28th to acknowledge advocacy around ending period poverty and to end the stigma and discrimination people who menstruate face around the world. AHF's Menstrual Health Day events include cultural dances, musicals, art, and theater performances, and this year our advocates distributed over 660,000 sanitary pads. These events raise much-needed awareness to support the 500 million women, girls, transgender, and non-binary people who menstruate and experience period poverty around the world, and AHF is proud to be working to end the stigma. And finally, AHF is proud to announce that we have 3 new members of our organization's senior leadership team: Jeremy Zellers, Jose Ramos, and Elizabeth Ballett. Jeremy Zellers is the Deputy Chief Pharmacy Officer who got his start at AHF in 2009. Since then, he has steadily moved up in the organization, being appointed Regional Director of Pharmacy in 2011, Senior Director of Pharmacy Systems Development in 2016, and in 2019, he was promoted to his current role as Deputy Chief Pharmacy Officer. Jose Ramos is the National Director of Sales at AHF, a member of the Board of Directors, and the founder and president of Impulse Group, AHF's affinity group spanning 13 countries with 26 chapters and over 400 volunteers worldwide. Jose helps to develop and enhance AHF Pharmacy's community profile, and he spearheads community outreach initiatives and marketing efforts for AHF nationwide. Elizabeth Ballett began her career at AHF in 2000. She assisted in opening the first AHF healthcare center in the Inland Empire, and in 2008, Elizabeth helped open AHF's first healthcare center in South Florida. Elizabeth is now the National Director of Nursing for AHF, and she is responsible for integrating AHF's mission and core values in the nursing leadership of our healthcare centers. We want to thank Jeremy, Jose, and Elizabeth for their dedication to AHF over the years, and congratulate them on their new appointment to senior leadership.
Thanks for watching this episode of Inside Scoop Headlines. Click the subscribe button on the screen to catch the latest episodes. See you next month.